7 morning mistakes to avoid for a brighter day. Essential routine tips. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into making every day a little bit better than the last. Today, we're tackling the morning routine, but with a twist. We're not talking about what you should do. We're diving into the don'ts. Why focus on the don'ts, you ask? Well, it's simple. Sometimes knowing what to avoid can be just as powerful as knowing what to do. It's like navigating through a maze. Avoiding the dead ends can save you time and energy, leading you straight to the prize. And in this case, the prize is a day filled with productivity, positivity, and peace of mind. So, whether you're a morning person who leaps out of bed ready to seize the day, or someone who hits the snooze button a few times too many, this video is for you. Ready to transform your mornings from mundane to magical? Let's dive in. 1. Don't skip hydration. Alright, first up on our list, and hear me out because it's a biggie. Don't skip on hydrating yourself right after you wake up. Think of your body like a plant that hasn't been watered overnight. You wouldn't expect that plant to flourish and bloom without a little H2O love in the morning, would you? Same goes for your body. Water kickstarts your metabolism, balances your bodily fluids, and even gives your skin that healthy glow. Plus, without it, you might find yourself feeling more like a sluggish sloth than a lively lemur. Headaches, mood dips, just overall feeling blah. Hydration can help keep those at bay. So, make it a point to drink a glass of water before you dive into your day. 2. Don't reach for your phone. Moving on to our second tip, and it's a tough pill to swallow for most of us. Resist the urge to grab your phone first thing in the morning. I know. It's like an extension of our arms at this point. But hear me out. Starting your day lost in emails, social media feeds, and the never-ending cycle of digital information can be a recipe for stress. It's like inviting chaos to your peaceful morning haven. Before you know it, you're bogged down by negativity, anxiety, and a to-do list that suddenly feels overwhelming. Instead, try starting your day by being present. Stretch, meditate, gaze out the window, enjoy the quiet. Whatever helps you find your zen. Trust me, the digital world can wait. 3. Don't skip breakfast. Now, let's talk about breakfast. Yes, you've heard it a million times. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But let me tell you, it's not just an old wives' tale. Skipping breakfast is like trying to start your car without any gas. You might get it rolling down the driveway, but you're not going to make it very far. Breakfast fuels your body, sharpens your mind, and can even help keep your weight in check. Miss out, and you might find yourself overeating later or hitting a mid-morning slump so hard, you'll need a crane to pull you out. So do yourself a favor and give your body the fuel it craves. 4. Don't ignore physical exercise. Next up, let's get moving. Literally, we're talking exercise, folks. Now, I know the idea of sweating it out in the early hours doesn't sound appealing to everyone, but the benefits, they're solid gold. Exercise isn't just about keeping fit. It's a mood lifter, a metabolism booster, and a concentration sharpener. Skipping out on it can leave you feeling like a zombie, sluggish, unmotivated, and stuck in a fog. Even a quick stretch, a brisk walk, or a few yoga poses can work wonders. Make your body move in the morning and watch your day transform. 5. Don't neglect your mental health. Now let's talk mind matters. Your mental health is just as crucial as your physical health, yet it's so easy to overlook. Skipping out on mindfulness or meditation in your morning can set you up for a day of chaos. Think of it as breakfast for your brain. Without it, your stress levels might stay up, your focus could fray, and your mood, well, it's not going to be doing you any favors. Incorporating even a few minutes of mindfulness or a quick meditation session can smooth out those mental wrinkles and set a calm, collected tone for the entire day. 6. Don't neglect setting goals for the day. Ever start your day feeling like a ship without a rudder? That's what happens when you skip out on setting goals for the day. Goals are your compass. They give you direction, purpose, and a clear focus. By taking a few minutes each morning to set your sights on what you want to achieve, you not only increase your productivity, but also amp up your satisfaction levels by the day's end. Without these goals, you might find yourself wandering through the day, feeling a bit lost and underachieving. So grab that planner or open that app and set those goals. Your future self will high-five you for it. 7. Don't hit the snooze button. Finally, let's talk about a habit that's tough to break. Hitting the snooze button. Ah, yes. the sweet temptation of just 10 more minutes. But while it feels good in the moment, snoozing can actually leave you feeling more tired than if you'd just gotten up. Why? Because it messes with your sleep cycle, folks. Every time you hit snooze and drift back off, you're starting a sleep cycle you won't finish. The result? You guessed it, grogginess, and a day spent feeling like you're walking through mud. Plus, it can throw off your sleep schedule big time, making it harder to catch those Z's and wake up feeling refreshed. The solution: set your alarm for the latest possible time you can get up and still have a productive morning, then stick to it. Your body, and your productivity, will thank you. That's a wrap, folks. I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for joining me. You've stuck with me through these 7 critical mistakes to avoid, and I hope you're walking away with some game-changing tips to transform your mornings from blah to brilliant. Before we say goodbye, a gentle reminder. If you found value in our discussion today, please consider hitting that like button. It genuinely helps the channel and lets me know you appreciate the content. And if you haven't already, smashing that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell will ensure you never miss out on our future adventures together. Now, I want to hear from you. Yes, you. Drop a comment below sharing which of the morning routine mistakes you're guilty of and how you plan to tackle it. Or, if you have a morning routine tip that's been a game changer for you, let's hear it. Thank you again for spending part of your day with me. Keep pushing forward, stay inspired, and as always, keep making those mornings count. Until next time, take care, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.